Sup, backing up, you guys. I'm Real Fan Landon. Here is Amtrak P371 arriving Holland Station, Discord Holland. Amtrak engine number 57 of P42. Here we go. Amtrak arriving with P42. Here we go. There he is. I know how far up he's gonna go. He's probably gonna block this crossing and keep these gates down there. We'll see. There he is. Right there. It's pretty cool. A few good pictures if I can. Lots of them. There we go. That's perfect. Get better pictures once they pose up more. After he loads everyone here in Holland, as you can see, it's a pretty good number of people here. Look at that. Pretty good number of people getting on. Pretty usual though for Holland, especially near summertime. Have a lot of people getting loaded up, so Chicago, wherever you go. Usually most people go to Chicago, so. Sorry about that, guys. See if he even says anything. Closing doors.
371, station work is complete. What's the clear? Okay, Boat Holland on the way to block. Came in a clear. Holland, over.
Here he goes. Okay guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos. I'm Real Fan Landon.